Mr. Vice President, Mr. Speaker, members of Congress, representatives of the American people across all states, territories, cities, and communities. I would like, if I may, to take this opportunity to express my particular gratitude to you all for the great honor of addressing this joint meeting of Congress, and on behalf of the Queen and myself, to thank the American people for welcoming us to the United States to mark this semi-quincentennial year of the Declaration of Independence. And for all of that time,
you need to be fixed. Charles continued in his posh voice. He said, blah, 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 blah. He also said, united this, united that, all just lies. Remember that across the centuries, the truth remains. Strength is built through loss and gains. Irreplaceable, unbreakable, through the night. When the road is dark, we still can't find the light. Anybody still buying this in 2026? Then you need a brain scan. You need to be fixed. Are there still people tuning in? People who think Charles is above moral sin? Are there still people falling in line to this clown, this phony? Out of time, out of time. Irreplaceable, unbreakable, through the night. When the road is dark, we still can't find the light. The problem, though, is the people stop believing. The ones that are continuously deceiving. The problem, though, is the people stop believing. The ones that are continuously deceiving.